guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another cash envelope stuffing, and this is paycheck number 2 of January. So let's get right into this video. Alright guys, so we stuffed out a total of $890, and I did make a few changes in my categories, and you guys will see it in this video. So we had 400, 55, 50, 70, 90, 6, 10, 30, 50, 70, 90, 7, 10, 30, 50, 70, 90, 8, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. So that is $890. Okay, so you guys know this is my utilities envelope, and I did tell you guys in my last video that I was going to change this utilities envelope to bills, which all my bills was just going to be in one envelope, and at the end of the month I'm going to split it up. But I actually didn't do that. I split up the categories, and I'm going to split this money up, piece it out 3 ways. So I'll show you guys real quick. So it's going to be electricity, health insurance, and car insurance. And yeah, so we're gonna put 100 in health insurance, 100 in car insurance, and the rest is going to electricity, which is $65. My health insurance is getting 100. And last is my car insurance, and my car insurance is getting 100 also. So my fiance used to pay my car insurance all of 2021, and I asked him I could take over my car insurance payment if that's fine with him. He said he got it. You know, I don't have to worry about it, but you know, since I am self-employed, I do make a good amount. I do want to take over this bill from him so he have more money in his pockets. So yeah, I have 2 cars. I have a truck and I have a sport car. So this money is going for those 2 car insurance. Alright, so we're gonna start by stuffing our electricity first. So electricity is getting $50. Next is my car insurance, and my car insurance is getting $45. Health insurance is getting 100. Actually, let me get a fresher bill. On to our cash envelopes. Alright, so here's my cash envelope binder, and I do keep this binder with me at all times when I leave the house. So I need some money with me. So groceries, we do have some money left. We have 1, 2, 3, $4, and you guys already know these dollars is going into my kids' piggy bank, and groceries always get $120. Okay, next is gas, and gas is getting $20 also. Spending is getting 20. Last is beauty, and beauty is getting $5. I did spend some money out of my beauty envelope. I bought some nail supplies, which I will be taking out of here in my update sinking funds video. Alright guys, on to my sinking funds. I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Credit Sesame. Credit Sesame helps people monitor and improve their score. Sesame Cash Butter is the first free all-in-one account that can help automatically grow your credit score. Sesame Cash gives you all the credit building benefits of a credit card with your debit card. Best of all, you can earn cash rewards for improving your score. It's free, no interest, and no hidden fees. Go check out the Sesame Cash Butter card now using my link in the description box below. Alright, on to my kids' savings. Lanesia is getting $25. So I do want to stuff my kids' envelope with more money, but they're only 5. Lanesia's 5 and Jaden is 3, so I do have over a decade to still save for them. So you know, right now I'm on my grind for my home emergency, which is my down payment for my new house, which I'm looking at in 2023. I'm not in no rush, guys, but when I do get a new house, it's gonna be even harder for me to save because the mortgage is gonna be crazy high. But it's all good. It's gonna be something I want, you know, and I'm not in no rush at all, guys. So Lanesia is getting 25, so we'll see how it goes when I do have a mortgage, because right now I do have a house right now and we do have a mortgage, but my fiance, he does pay for it. But when we do get a new house, I'm gonna have to, you know, chip in because it's gonna be a lot more, because it might be a bigger house, you know, something we both really want. So Lanesia has 5,000, 6,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, 5, 10, 15, 20. So Lanesia has $6,720. Okay, next is Jaden, and Jaden is getting $25. So Jaden has 5, 6,000, 1, 2, 3, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 5, 10, 15. So Jaden has $6,515. Let me zoom it in a little bit. Alright, so let me go on to my vacation envelope. As you guys see, I don't have vacation on here anymore, so I am gonna take this envelope out. Reason being is that vacation family time goes hand in hand, is like the same for me. So, you know, if we do go on a vacation, I'm gonna pull out of my family time envelope. So this is all going into family time, so we're not going to be using this envelope anymore. So let's put this in here. Actually, we've taken out 1, 2, 20, 30, 5, 40. So 240 is going into family time, and we're gonna stuff $10 on top for this paycheck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 20, 30, 40, 50, 560. So 560 in family time. Also, guys, my 52-week 5K challenge, I'm gonna be grinding hard on that too. I'm gonna be stuffing like 2 boxes in 1 paycheck because I'm trying to get that done sooner, because in the summertime I'm planning to go to Disney World with my kids. So I'm trying to get that 5K just for that trip. So yeah, let's see if we can finish that on time. So I am looking forward to that. So that is really a part of family time, but that's gonna be a separate envelope because I'm gonna still stuff this one, but I'm gonna go in on my 52-week 5K challenge. So my goal is to complete that by June at least. Okay, next is drip, which is our clothing envelope. It's getting $10. So I have 1, 200, 50, 300, 20, 40, 50, 60. So 360 in drip. Alright guys, on to my emergency fund binder. Okay, on to my emergency fund binder. My cash emergency fund is getting $10. You guys, I don't even know when to cap this envelope off at. I'm thinking probably $2,000. I think $2,000 for my cash emergency fund is a good amount. So we're really close to that $2,000 goal. I have 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 90. So $18.90 in our cash emergency fund. You guys, it's only January, but I'm already feeling the Valentine's Day vibe. You guys, look at my nails, it's so cute. I did love you right here, rhinestones, rose gold, glitter, and 2 lips, 1 red kiss lips and 1 pink lips, and it says kiss right here. It's so cute. And I got a heart, a band-aid, and a love envelope. So cute. All right, home emergency is getting $195. That is from our scratch off that we scratched off last week. So 150, 70, 95. You guys, I'm still a little sick, so if my voice sounds a little cracky, that is the reason. Alright, so in our home emergency fund, we have 5, 6, 7,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 550, 70, 90, 610, 30, 50, 5, 60. So we add $7,660. Okay, next is my car emergency fund, and we are only stuffing $5 in it. So we have 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 50, 60, 75, 85. So we have $16.85 in our car emergency fund. Okay, next is health, and health is getting $20. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 50, 70, 90, 700. 700 in health. Alright, on to scratching off our scratch off challenge. So let me get my quarter. Alright, so I'm gonna scratch off this one right here. So that is $45. And then let's go into our diamond challenge, and I'm gonna scratch off this one. So 45 plus 160 is $205. So 160 and 45. So we're gonna be stuffing 205 in our home emergency fund next week. Alright guys, on to my pink binder. So Christmas is getting $25. We have 20, 45, 50. So $50. Okay, next is back to school, and back to school is getting $5. So that is $15. Okay, next is invest. Invest is getting $20, and we do have $50 in there. So that is $70 that's going into investing. I do want to share with you guys which stock most of my money is invested in. You guys, I don't really know much about the stock market or anything, but all I know is that what stock I'm invested in is low risk, and your girl is collecting dividends over here. I'm not telling you guys to put your money in, because if it goes down, you're gonna lose money. If it goes up, you gain money. But on top of that, you're collecting dividends quarterly. So yeah, I'm gonna share with you guys in my next video. But like I said again, you guys, I don't know much about the stock market. I don't do my research. It's just what I had my money in for like over a year already, and I've been collecting quarterly dividends off of it, and I really like that stock. All right, next is gifts, and gifts is getting $10. So we have $25 in my gifts envelope. Alright, last is my 52-week saving challenge, and like I said to you guys before, I'm actually gonna be stuffing 2 boxes at a time, because I am using this funds to go to a Disney World. So we're planning to go in the summertime, so I gotta get this $5,000 quick. So 150, 70. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.